Hey guys, working on a Winnebago Sunstar. We're just winterizing the RV. I wanted to show you guys the location of the bypass on this water heater. So we went ahead and removed the anode rod. This customer does a very good job of taking care of her water heater. She always has a good anode rod. She replaces it as need be, as her and her husband do. So if we go inside here, we want to bypass the water heater so we can winterize the unit with antifreeze. I like to fill them up with antifreeze. Right here is the bypass, and if it is not in bypass mode, it'll look like this. It just has one valve on it. If it is in bypass mode, it'll be pointed down like that, as long as they put this valve in correct. So you just want to close it off, make sure that no water is going to get into the water heater when you start pumping it full of antifreeze. Now on these Winnebago Sunstars, they do have a winterize hose to winterize them that make it very easily. That's hooked up to the water pump. So come around here with a small little compartment door here. Same compartment as your freshwater drain, which is right there to the left. And then this clear hose right here, you take it and you put it inside a gallon of antifreeze, and you'll turn that valve towards the actual clear hose, as you can see here per the instructions. Winterization valve 2. These two valves here are low point valves on the actual system. So before you winterize it, drain all the clear water out so you don't have to use so much antifreeze. So there's your water pump, there's your freshwater tank, as you guys can see. So I hope this video helps somebody out there. Until next time, safe travels and be sure to subscribe.